Work features are planes, axes, and points that help you define and position new features and components in your model. If you create features using the symmetry option, the planes can be used to position the components in an assembly. A common use for work planes is to create a tangent plane on a curve to position a hole. For example, create a tangent work plane and then start a 2D sketch on the work plane. In this example, the curve geometry is projected to the sketch plane as lines. The midpoint of each line is used to center the hole on the curved face. In this example, the hanger bracket supports tubing that must be straight 50 mm from each end of the support. Points and grounded points lets you place markers at specific XYZ locations. Work points are extracted from existing intersections. The tubing component is created after the hangers are placed in the assembly. A 3D sketch line with auto bend on connects the points to define the sweep path from the tube. Grounded work points let you specify the XYZ location, rotation angle, and are movable. In this example, grounded work points are used to specify the control points for an organic shape. To begin, start a 3D sketch to create a spline through the points. Create a work plane normal to each point by clicking the point and then clicking the curve. Click each plane to start a 2D sketch, and then create the required sketch shape. Project the point to the sketch to make sure the sketch shape is located on the curve. A loft command with a centerline option creates the required organic shape. These are just a few of the many ways that work features can help you create your model.